Top 5: The ultimate guide to finding the best under-sink trash can. If your home has a small kitchen, or if you simply want to keep your household waste out of sight, a compact trash can that fits inside the cabinet beneath your sink is an unobtrusive solution that is economical on space. Under-sink garbage cans also keep bad odors and bacteria away from open spaces, while still being close at hand when performing regular cleaning duties. Rubbermaid commercial products. Tiaforo 2.4-gallon kitchen compost bin. HUAPPNIO kitchen trash can plastic collapsible. M-Design plastic small trash can. Kitchen trash can with lid. Visit our site reviewparks.com, link in the description box. Like, comment.